4.1, expansion in markets. This is page 67. Guiding question number 1. Describe the development of the Transcontinental Railroad. We've discussed, at least in part 4.2, we discussed how government influences laissez-faire economy. One element is the development of national markets through the promotion of new transportation systems, including railroads, canals, and building new bridges. Before the Civil War, railroad construction was a sore spot of tension between the North and the South. Various issues, including where the railroads would start and end. Would it start in the North? Would it end in the South? Where it would start and end, what territories it would go through. These are all issues, and remember, I apologize for the typo, more settlers in the West would cause a need for more talk about the extension of slavery, whether or not a section would become slave-based or free soil, and where the line started and ended would often indicate whether that territory is going to be free soil or slave-based. Remember that when the Southern Democrats seceded in 1860, they took their votes away from Congress. Ironically, that gave Lincoln more power, but also remember that now Northern Republicans can pass laws that reflected Northern desires. Because Northern Republicans had a stronger understanding of trying to create a broader, stronger national marketplace and a broader, stronger national government, those Northern Congress members started passing laws which favored a strong federal government. And in this case, one of the things that they passed was the authorization of subsidies, and specifically in the form of land grants on both sides of the railroad, which would allow the development of transcontinental railroad. Land grants were given along the railroad route, and the railroad companies could use that land either to build rail lines, or they could sell that line, or a lot of times what they did was build little towns and then charge high rents along that line.